I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we would.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing laundry, making dinner, and cleaning the master bathroom. Hopefully I can offer some motivation for you so that you can get the things done that you'd like to get done today. Let me know in the comments below if you're watching this, if you're also cleaning or cooking or doing or just watching it. Let me know in the comments below if you are watching my video while you clean or cook, or do you have it on in the background, or are you sitting and watching it? Hopefully I can offer some motivation for you so you can get the things done that you need to get done today. So right here I have washed and dried the clothes, and I put them in piles according to who they are. So there's 6 of us. I have 4 kids and then my husband. And so as I pull the clothes out of the dryer, I make sure my bed is made. I have a clear spot, and I'll just put everybody's stuff in order. So it's easy to, I focus on one person's stuff at a time as I put it away. It's just a method that works really well for me. I like the height of the bed. I'm not bending over. I can stand up and do it easily. I've folded laundry on the couch before, but I find I need a bigger space because I'm doing a lot of laundry. Let me know in the comments below if you have a method or a favorite way of doing your laundry. I love to hear how other people do their laundry. And the way I've done laundry has changed over the years, but this has helped the best. I used to wash clothes every single day. I would put a few loads in, and I noticed when I did that, my kids realized I washed clothes all the time, like every day. So they weren't good about always giving me their laundry. And sometimes it would be on their floor, their closet floor, their bathroom floor, sometimes in the loft, they'd have random items. Now I notice they know that I have specific laundry days. If I don't get their laundry on these specific days, they have to wait for me to wash their clothes till the next laundry day. So I noticed this works better for me. During the summer, I've had 1 laundry day. Usually during the school week, I'll choose 2 days. 2 days for clothes, and then I guess a 3rd day for towels and sheets. And blankets if we have blankets we need to wash. But right now, just 1 day a week, and it's worked perfectly for us for the summer. And I've also loved rolling our clothes. It seems like the clothes fit better in the drawers when I roll them as opposed to folding them. And also I love that when you open the drawer, you can see everything. Things aren't stacked on top of each other. Unless we have a lot of the same kind of item. They are stacked, but you can still see everything really well. So right here, I am making sloppy joes. And if you're interested in this recipe, it's the Pioneer Woman's Sloppy Joe recipe. She might have a couple recipes. If you're interested, I can link her recipe in my description. But I love this recipe of hers. It's so easy. And it's kind of fun to make. I'm just trying to smash the meat, the hamburger, so it's smaller pieces. And I'm using a spoon. I can't find the thing that I usually use to break down the meat. But I'm doing this, and then I love to put the lid on it and just let it do its thing. It stays a lot. Okay, and so this shocks me every time. This is the organic Costco meat. Hamburger meat, and it's 2 packages. Look at how much grease I'm able to drain from it. There's so much. I'm putting it in this cup until it cools off, and then I throw the grease away. But make sure you always rinse the grease out of your meat, because look at that. That is so much. So this is a yellow pepper, and I called for green, but yellow's okay too, and an onion. And then I've got water in here and ketchup. A little more ketchup, and I mix it around, and then I'll add the spices in just a minute. The spices is really what gives it all of its yummy flavor. All of my kids love this recipe. And I put some garlic in it. I love the tub of garlic that you can get from Costco. You can get it from anywhere. But the tub of garlic, it lasts forever, and it's so easy. And here's the spices. And I just mix it all together, and then I'll pour it onto the meat. And then I'll simmer the meat with the lid on for about 15-20 minutes. And that's all you do. It's so good. And sometimes we have potato salad and carrots and a vegetable with it and potato chips. Today I just had potato chips and some pickles, and it was really, really good. I've also seen where people double the recipe for Sloppy Joes, and then they let it cool off. They take half of it and they put it in a freezer bag and lay it out flat, take all the air out, lay it flat so that you can stack it in your freezer. It doesn't take much space, but I really liked that lately, to make double so that you can save some for another day and put it in your freezer. But we ate all of this that night, and so I had nothing to save. Now I'm in the master bathroom, and I'm going to clean the sink, the counter, the cabinet, the tub, and the shower. So I'm just spraying the mirror with Windex, and I'm using a microfiber cloth. They're my favorite. Sometimes the paper towels shed a little bit on whatever you're wiping, but microfiber does not. And I don't usually use a hand towel to wash my sink and counter off, but I think it's what I had clean. So I was just trying to get the job done really quick. So I'm just washing the sink here. And I use scrubbing bubbles, and then afterwards I love to use the Target Method cleaner for granite on the countertop, because it smells really nice and also shines everything up. There it is. That's the Method granite cleaner. Even in my wildest dreams. Do you guys have a favorite cleaner for your countertops? If you do, let me know in the comments below. I love trying new things out. Scents are important to me. I love for things to smell nice and not very chemically. I'm not sure if that's a word, but and I want it to clean well also. And you see my phone in the corner there. I always love to listen to something, whether it's a podcast or music, while I'm cleaning, or watch a show. It just makes the time go by so much quicker. I love it. It's so shiny and clean, and it smells so nice in here. Now I'm just putting the soap back. And now I'm wiping down the cabinets, and I love the Method Cleaner almond scent for the wood. It cleans so nice and it smells really, really, really good. After this, I'm going to clean my tub and also the blinds above my tub. They got so dusty. It's been a while since I've cleaned those. And I'm just gonna kind of make this a relaxing video. Hopefully you can relax and just listen to the music and get some motivation. So I won't be talking a whole lot.
Feelings for me. Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream. So you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise.
If you enjoyed this video, if it helped give you some motivation, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. That's how we know you like our videos, and also how you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.